100 plus beauty brands closed their shops? Together? Why? That's an unexpected thing that happened last 21st September. 100 plus beauty brands closed their sales for one day on social media. If you are one of them who wanted to shop for some beauty products but found the shops closed online and offline too, then you might be wondering why these renowned brands did that. That's all because of #CodeRedForClimate. In simple words, these renowned beauty brands wanted to use their dynamic influence to mobilize communities for supporting the key climate policies from lawmakers through #CodeRedForClimate. Now the question arises, what is #CodeRedForClimate? How did these beauty brands support the initiative, and what was its impact? If you're thinking in the same flow, then don't worry, because today we are going to discuss everything here. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. What is #CodeRedForClimate? #CodeRedForClimate is an initiative taken by Verse Skincare founding president Melanie Bender. The goal of this initiative is to involve the fans and consumers of beauty brands to be involved in action on climate change. A recent well-publicized UN IPCC report highlights that the United States is the second largest contributor of greenhouse gas emission globally. So over the last month, Bender was gathering a group of brands that will sign a letter to Congress asking the leaders to hear Code Red for humanity. Also, they wanted Congress to take some immediate actions on climate change. The focus of Verse Skincare was to create a bold statement on the Zero Emissions Day, which was held on last 21st September. Till that date, Bender managed to collect 123 beauty and skincare brands to participate in their initiative and created a bold statement against climate change. Also, for involving the fans and consumers of beauty brands, a website has been created named Code Red for Climate. The task for the fans and consumers was simple. They had to call on the given number of Code Red for Climate website and say the script given on the website. The call is actually going to their own representatives to ask for support on climate change now, and the statement includes 4 key ways. A clean electricity payment program that cuts emissions and modernizes our grid. Directing 40% of funding to frontline communities. Ending subsidies for fossil fuel corporations. A civilian climate corps that puts people to work. Which beauty brands were involved? The beauty brands involved in this initiative are skincare brands like Youth to the People, Peach and Lily, Good Light, Unclear, The Inky List. Beauty brands such as Elf Cosmetics, Oma Beauty, Milk Makeup, Kaya Weiss, and many more hair care, personal care, and supplement brands were also involved. How did these beauty brands support the initiative? The beauty brands involved in Code Red for Climate have changed their social media profile photos to a blank red image on Instagram and Facebook. Also, the post contains a long caption encouraging the followers to join them in action by calling fellow lawmakers. Some of the well-known beauty brands like the Inky List have also closed their e-commerce sites and physical shops too, and left a notice to support the Code Red for Climate. In conclusion, it can be said the initiative taken by these beauty brands are really great, and all of us should support those beauty brands for the sake of climate change. Thanks for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share it with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.